Gia, and today we'll be going to a dog's birthday party. My friend Alexys have a corgi named Kona, and Kona is turning 1 year old today. And yeah, we're just gonna go to Kona's birthday party. I've never been invited to any party before, let alone like a dog's birthday party. So I'm super excited. I got Kona a card. It's a corgi card. It says, "Hey there," or "Hello there." And also got Kona a gift bag full of treats and toys. So let's go. I'm super excited. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kona. Happy birthday to you. Here's your cupcake. Happy birthday. Want to say hi to the vlog? Wait.
I never thought, because Kona's never been food motivated,
Okay.
so I never thought the teacher.
Okay.
And then now she didn't care to. Yeah. Now I'm like,
No,
I just
wait.
put food for her and she'll sit there and stare at it. But if I say go, she'll still stare at it. But what does this mean? So I'm like, okay, you know what? Here's your food. Follow it. Yeah.
Wow, that was fast. It's all clean. No more. My vlog is basically Nico eating everything.
How fast could he eat this?
Okay. Ready?
Back up. You want your cake? Eat your.
Like there's sweet potatoes in there and this.
Yum.
Wasn't looking for your love, and I thought you were kind of different, but in the end it's just another crush. Miss me, miss me, I thought you were kind of different, but in the end it's just another crush. Miss me, miss me, I thought you were kind of different, but in the end it's just another crush.
What's a cricket?
It's a little machine where you cut stuff out.
Oh.
Now feet down.
And
Sit.
make
Sit.
cute stuff.
What are we getting?
Sit. Down, down. You know better. Thank you.
Ooh.
Gotta give some to girlfriend. Down, down. You wait, you wait, you wait.
Ollie, no.
Oh my god.
Don't hurt it.
I love how they're dating.
Oh.
There we go. Good
Are
girl,
the-
Binkies. Okay, sit.
Mommy has to hold it. Why? Hold it. So Ryan, you could probably.
You want to sit?
Yeah, probably stand right. Oh no. Okay. I already took a bite.
Birthday girl just changed.
Outfit change.
You're the cutest.
Alexys,
They're all looking.
Kona's arms in your way.
Just take
Kona's,
it.
oh, okay.
Huh?
Take 100.
Kona's arms in your.
Nico, Cleo, Alfie. Woo!
I can see your breath, dude.
Yeah, what is it about?
Bye, Bruce. Thank you. This is from your bin. Oh my goodness. You got so spoiled. Oh my goodness. Look what she got you. And look how cute this card. Look at no corgi on it.
I didn't even know there was such a thing.
Look at it. And Kona, look what's in it. You didn't know? I'm gonna look at her. She's like, what? There's chicken. There's toy. I've never even seen like one of these. This is seriously the cutest little setup. Alright folks, we're signing out. Peace, love, and bacon on.